What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today I could not wait any longer. We are doing that pack opening. Let's go. So let's go to my team. I got my brother over here. Got some collectibles. Unclaimed items. So let's start with an NBA Live Mobile Beginners Pack.
Beginner pack.
So we get nothing there.
Those two suck.
Nothing there. Nothing there. Oh, we had 71 overall in the finals collectible. Ooh.
At least you got Stephen Curry on there.
I'm gonna do my premium pack last. Let's go to the stuff. Pretty sure these gonna be pretty good. Oh, bronze trophy. Oh, 1,000 coins. You do not get that every single day. Okay, that was trash. Also trash.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Also trash.
Degrading trash people.
Also trash.
It's so trash.
Oh, 400 coins.
Trash.
This is a lot, actually. Oh, bronze trophy.
Oh, this skin is trash.
Trash. Oh, 66 Anthony Tolliver. I already got these. This is free. Let's see. And these are just trash. This is building up my bench. Also trash. Also trash.
Okay, you can still say trash now.
Oh, silver trophy. Buns. Oh, but he's better
Don't
over.
say buns either.
Oh, 600 click sell coins. Alright, so let's just count down to the premium pack. So let's go from right here. Daily shoot around. That's okay, I guess. Oh, Season Semester. Let's see if we get on this. Fingers crossed. 1,600. Dang.
Okay.
Two bronze. Okay, guys.
The final.
The final
Put
one.
your crosses up now.
Look how much trash people we have. Oh, but we got some silvers. Got some of that. Got some of that. Oh, look what we have. That is a lot. Alright. Countdown.
Cross your fingers.
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's just make it quick pair. Jesus, please let us get like at least an elite or golden players. Jesus, name I pray. Amen. Ooh, let's go. Oh yeah. Jakeem Noah and a JJ Berra. So that's all.
Maybe Jesus has got this. I definitely did not get my money for that.
It's a shame. I am so pissed off about that though.
You have to big team.
Well, see you in the next video. Sorry for wasting your time for all this crap. Peace.